I am a Unitarian Universalist. This is a religion that I chose for myself many, many years ago because it seemed like the best religion, democratic, based on science and equality. But recently they have let all of us down. Unitarian Universalists, are we the best religion or are we massive hypocrites? In 2024, we voted and promised to protect all beings from exploitation. All beings, not just people. Animals are included in this. So why are stolen meat, cow milk, eggs, and cheese still on our tables during coffee hour? Dismantle cruelty. Be vegan. This is what we promised. Let's follow through. Hello students, I'm Miss Katie, That Vegan Teacher. Today we're learning about religion and how if your religion is telling you to hold a knife to hurt an animal, then your religion is not turning you into a good person. Your religion is turning you into a monster. And this is the message from Molly today in this video. If you're not yet following her, her address is Molly_Animal Liberation. She's reminding us that Jesus would never hurt an animal. Jesus would protect all animals. And at Easter, you can eat other things. You don't have to hold a knife and harm those who have done nothing wrong. And she's saying that she's sorry to break it to you, but that if your Easter celebration involves hurting somebody, that your religion is violent and not kind. Molly is reminding everybody in this video that you can eat tofu instead. You can eat things and not beings. Veganism is a moral obligation, and caring about animals is for everybody. You can eat fruits, you can eat vegetables, you can eat nuts, you can eat seeds, you can make delicious meals made out of tofu. You could have a chili stew, spicy lentils, potatoes, carrots, broccoli. Every beautiful ingredient in the store is available to you, and Google is free. You don't need to hurt animals. Sheep, lambs, pigs, and turkeys. All animals deserve peace and liberty, not cruelty.
Look in the mirror and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Look in your heart and sing this song. Sing, I will be brave, I'll be vegan from now on. Eat only healthy vegan things. Never eat anyone's arms, legs, or wings. Don't eat anyone who had ears or eyes. Make sure when you eat that nobody cries. Break old habits you had for years. Save animals from so much terror and tears. Train yourself to always be in the mood to only buy healthy vegan food. Sing this song and declare it. I'll be vegan from now on. Declare it. Put your hand on your heart and sing it loudly. Today is the day I will start. I'll be vegan from now on. The future is vegan. No matter what your religion, we will rise to protect them. The most innocent, amen. The future is vegan. No matter what your religion, you know it in your heart, and you know where to start. We will be better. We will be vegan. Let's follow that That Vegan Teacher on YouTube right now. Let's